Serving residents across Guam, Plumbing Pros provides the most environmentally friendly, no-digging, trenchless plumbing repair alternative. Call Cure In-Place Pipe Repair.
Our non-disruptive pipelining system allows your sewer line to be fully rehabilitated and back to working condition in less than a day. We first remove any roots and scale buildup by inserting a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstructions. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes, leaving the pipes ready to be lined. After cleaning, we insert a small but powerful camera into your pipeline to assure that the pipes are ready to be lined. A piece of flexible liner is then cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, a resin mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. The liner, with vacuum seal attached, is fed then into a table roller to ensure every inch of liner is fully saturated with resin. The prepped liner is then coiled inside an inversion drum. Next, the starting end of the liner is securely fastened to the inversion drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the liner into the pipe all the way down through the interior of the pipe. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube, or cal tube, is inverted into the liner, pressing the liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The cal tube is then filled with hot water, which allows the liner to cure in about an hour and a half, until it forms a solid new pipe. The cal tube is then deflated and removed. Lateral lines that have been blocked by the cured epoxy liner can be opened by inserting a robotic grinder that can locate and restore the opening to the main line. Without digging up your property, trenchless sewer repair will structurally reinforce your existing pipes to last decades.
If you would like to learn more about the trenchless sewer repair process, call us today.